everyone, it's me, your girl Farian, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's vlog, I will be cooking chicken wings a little differently because I will not bake it and I will not fry it in cooking oil. Instead, I am going to cook the chicken wings in orange juice. This will be a very delicious dish, which I know that you are going to enjoy. Okay, let's get started. These are the ingredients that we are going to use for cooking chicken wings and orange juice. Orange juice, soy sauce, honey, banana ketchup, Spanish paprika, black pepper, magic sarap, salt, mustard, onion, spring onion, garlic, and chicken wings. Okay guys, let's start cooking.
A few moments later.
We're done guys, beautifully cooked chicken wings without baking or frying in oil. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching guys. Take care and God bless you all. Bye bye!